The CSLOs, or Course Student Learning Outcomes, have been entered in for all courses offered at South Mountain Community College. Now, in order to get those into your course, there's a two-step process because one, you put the outcomes into your course, and then the other is you're actually using the outcomes in rubrics. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. You're going to look for outcomes in the navigation menu. You can see on the menu here, it's grayed out. It's because I don't have that link available to students, but it still works for me. So you want to add the outcomes in. You first have to go find them. So right here, I've already set them up in this course, but I'm going to walk you through how to actually set them up from the beginning. You want to go to Find. So do not click on Outcome. You have this outcome link here. You don't want to do that. You're only going to use that button if you're entering them in by hand. But you do Find Outcomes, Account Standards, and then South Mountain Community College. When you click on this one, the CSLOs are in there by division. So you just want to click on your division, and then you're looking for your course. In this case, I teach CIS 105. When I click on CIS 105, here's all the outcomes, the 3 outcomes for our course. What I do from here is just click Import. So you may have to scroll down depending upon how your screen is. Sometimes you have to scroll down. You click Import, tell it yes, and then that CSLO gets imported in. If you want to put them into a folder, you can create a folder, group them, create a group and put them all in a folder. But if you want them in there by themselves, then you could do that. So I have the course outcomes here. I did set up a folder where I entered the competencies for the course on my own. The competencies are not put in at the root level for you. So if you want competencies, you'll have to put those in yourself. So what's in there are the CSLOs, which are 3 outcomes per course. Once you have those entered, you can now use them in your assignments. So as you create assignments and add rubrics, you can then go in, and I'll just pull this one up and show it to you. Okay, so the rubric is added right here. But the way you pull them in, so I'm editing this rubric, and you can see I've got the course outcomes in, but you just do Find Outcome. And when you do Find Outcome, then you go grab the CSLO that you want and then click Import. That will pull it into your rubric at the bottom. Now they are set by default, so that they're set with the 5 points for exceed expectations, 3 to meet, and 0 not to meet. When we originally imported them in and set them all up, this was at the recommendation of faculty that had been using outcomes. So that's the way we did it. Currently, that's the way Chandler Gilbert does it. I adjunct teach there, and the course outcomes are set up that way too. So just go ahead and use them the way they are. It does change the point for your rubric. So as the outcomes come in, the points is going to change, which means you then need to go back and edit your assignment so that the assignment points reflect the same amount of points. So right here, where it says 35, I imported that CSLO, so now it's 40 points. I would have to update this so that the assignment would reflect the points that are in the rubric. If you have any other questions, please just reach out to us in the CTL and we can help you if you want to know more information about outcomes, or shoot me an email and then I can create another screencast for you. Thank you and good luck.